Debt is defined as money borrowed that must be repaid. Repayment of debt typically includes interest, which is the cost of borrowing the money. Debt represents a liability on a balance sheet. Debt requires future repayment of both the principal amount and the accrued interest. Good debt is defined as debt that has the potential to increase net worth or future income. This type of debt is often used to acquire assets that appreciate in value over time. Good debt can also be used to generate income, such as through business investments or educational opportunities. Assets acquired through good debt contribute to long-term financial stability and growth. Student loans can be classified as good debt if they lead to increased earning potential. Mortgages are considered good debt when the property value appreciates over time. Business loans are beneficial if they generate profit and expand business operations. Good debt is characterized by its potential to generate future income or increase asset value. Strategic use of debt can lead to long-term financial stability and wealth accumulation. Good debt can improve credit scores, reflecting positively on financial reliability. Strategic use of debt can increase long-term wealth through investments and asset acquisition. Good debt provides access to opportunities that may otherwise be unattainable. Careful management of debt can lead to financial stability and growth. Good debt, despite its potential benefits, still carries inherent risks. One risk is the possibility of not realizing the expected return on investment. Changes in circumstances can make it difficult to make repayments. Unexpected economic downturns can impact the ability to repay debt. Personal financial setbacks such as job loss or illness can hinder repayment efforts. Careful financial planning and risk assessment are crucial when taking on any form of debt. Bad debt is debt used to purchase depreciating assets. Bad debt is also debt used to purchase consumables. Bad debt offers no long-term financial benefit. Bad debt often incurs high interest rates. Bad debt includes credit card debt, particularly when associated with high interest rates. Payday loans are a form of bad debt due to their typically high fees and short repayment periods. Loans taken out for non-essential luxury items often constitute bad debt. High interest rates exacerbate the burden of credit card debt, making it harder to repay. The short repayment periods of payday loans can trap borrowers in a cycle of debt. Acquiring debt for non-essential items can lead to financial instability and long-term financial strain. Bad debt can initiate a cycle of increasing debt accumulation. Accumulating bad debt negatively impacts credit scores. High levels of debt limit future borrowing capacity. Bad debt hinders the achievement of long-term financial goals. The compounding effect of interest on bad debt exacerbates financial strain. High interest rates applied to bad debt cause the principal amount to increase rapidly. The rapid growth of the principal due to high interest makes repayment significantly more difficult. Increased difficulty in repayment leads to an extended repayment period. The combination of high interest and bad debt creates a cycle of increasing financial burden. Uncontrolled debt accumulation can lead to long-term financial instability. Effective financial management is crucial to mitigate the risks associated with high-interest debt. Good debt facilitates asset appreciation and income enhancement. Bad debt leads to asset depreciation and increased financial strain. Good debt examples include mortgages and educational loans. Bad debt examples include credit card debt and payday loans. Visual comparison of debt, impact on financial well-being. Student loans. Although debt can be considered good debt when used to finance education, educational investments correlate with increased earning potential over a lifetime. The increased earning potential can offset the initial debt incurred through student loans. Higher education often leads to better job opportunities and career advancement. Student loans facilitate access to educational resources and skill development. Investing in education can yield a significant return on investment, ROI, over time. A car loan represents a debt that incurs interest over time. The purchased car is a depreciating asset, losing value from the moment it is driven off the lot. The total cost of a car purchased with a loan includes the initial price plus accumulated interest. Resale value decreases over time, further increasing the overall cost of car ownership. The combination of interest and depreciation makes car loans a potentially costly form of debt. Understanding the financial implications of a car loan is crucial for making informed purchasing decisions. Effective debt management involves implementing strategic approaches to control and reduce outstanding liabilities. Creating a budget is a fundamental step in managing debt by tracking income and expenses. Prioritizing debt repayment, especially for high-interest debts, minimizes long-term costs. Avoiding unnecessary borrowing prevents further accumulation of debt and financial strain. Debt management strategies aim to improve financial health and stability. Combining budgeting, prioritization, and mindful borrowing habits leads to effective debt control. Consistently making timely payments is crucial for improving credit scores. Reducing credit utilization. The ratio of credit used to total credit available positively impacts credit scores. Unnecessary new credit applications should be avoided to prevent negative impacts on credit scores. Responsible credit management involves a combination of timely payments and low credit utilization. Improving credit scores enhances financial opportunities and stability. Informed borrowing decisions involve carefully evaluating the loan's intended purpose. Assessing interest rates and loan terms is crucial for making sound borrowing decisions. Understanding the potential impact on long-term financial health is essential before borrowing. Evaluating the loan's purpose helps determine if the borrowing aligns with financial goals. Considering the loan's impact on credit score is a key aspect of responsible borrowing. Understanding the distinction between good debt and bad debt is crucial for financial literacy. Good debt strategically builds assets or increases future earning potential. Bad debt typically involves high-interest liabilities that do not appreciate in value. Responsible financial choices are essential for building a secure financial future. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for more videos.